So for a lot of people, they might say, well, you know what, I want to be absolutely safe. So then they get the biggest brakes they can, they get the best suspension and everything, and then they put the tiniest little engine possible, which means they might never get to Cape Town. They might die of old age before they get to Cape Town. Or they get there long after whatever it is that they needed to go and see. So you have to always have an engine in your, always have to have exposure to shares. And I think a lot of people are afraid of the stock market, whether you buy it in an exchange traded fund, in a unit trust, or in direct shares if you must. They worry about it because people like you and me will talk about shares a lot, and the media will write about it and say this thing went up or it exploded or whatever the thing is. So the stock market is scary to people. But there are ways of accessing the market in a fairly simple way. However, you have to make that call. You have to be in shares. You need an engine in your. And as I said at the start, though, you can't just only have a portfolio of shares because then accidents might happen. So I think just getting that combination correct is very important.